Hi everyone, Peggy Ployhar here, founder and CEO of SPED Homeschool, as well as part of the SPED Homeschool Review Crew. And what I've got in this bag is an ingenious little fidget that I'm super excited to unbag for you today, not unbox, I guess. And then I'm going to come back with a review. I'm going to give it to the fidget expert in our house. My daughter loves fidget, especially the quiet ones, being an older teen. And so I'm super excited to share her review with you as well after I have her take this and try it out. But LakiKid has a lot of information on their website about how this fidget not only is a fidget, but it helps with fine motor. It's very quiet, soft. So this is what comes in the bag. And so we'll open the bag too. You can kind of feel it through the outside of the bag that, oh, this is such soft material. And it gives you a little bit of information about this and where it all started, the family story. If you didn't listen to my interview with Jason Shea, he is the founder of LakiKids and has a son on the spectrum, and that's why he started this business. And so he has some ingenious products. Now, on this side, you can't see too much about what this fidget does, and this is fairly large. But so it's really nice to hold in your hands. It's not going to like get away too much, but there's a little marble in here. And as you can see on the back, there is I'm trying to do it backwards on my screen. You push it through this little maze and then it goes in and down and round. And so you can make it more challenging without looking at it, I guess. So you can kind of figure out just kind of where it gets stuck. So it's one of those things that you can actually cause your mind to be thinking and doing, and instead of just looking at it. So it's a great thing to have in the lap. Wouldn't even know I had it. And if you have kids that do videos and get kind of anxious, this might be a great thing for them to just have on their lap to be able to use with their hands instead of picking and doing some other things that aren't as the things that we want to have them doing when they get nervous. So anyways, this is the product, the marble fidget maze, and I am gonna, like I said, give it to my daughter and have her give me some feedback on it and probably some ideas that I can share with you on ways that this can be even more useful since she's so creative. So anyways, thank you, LakiKids, for allowing me the opportunity to give this a review and unbox it. And I will be back soon with more information about this cool little fidget. So thanks everybody for joining us, and I will see you soon with the review.